Welcome to MATLAB Lesson 15, where we'll cover the basics of statistical analysis. This lesson will show you how to quickly calculate mean, standard deviation, and visualize data using histograms in MATLAB. Get ready to unleash the power of MATLAB for swift statistical calculations. You'll be calculating mean and standard deviation in seconds. Our main focus today is on the two fundamental statistical measures, the mean and the standard deviation. To find the mean of a column in your table T, use the mean function, like this, mean t.call1. Similarly, the standard deviation is easily calculated using the std function, stdt.call1. Statistical analysis isn't complete without data visualization, which helps us interpret data easily. To visualize the distribution of your data, simply use the histogram function on your data column. You've now learned the basic tools to perform quick statistical analysis in MATLAB. Remember the power of built-in functions for quick stats and explore subplots to display multiple visualizations.